countdown to the consecration ceremony of the Ram Mandir in Ayodhya has begun. Ahead of the grand inauguration of the Ram Temple on January 22nd, the railway station in the town has been renamed Ayodhya Dham Junction. The new railway station has a design similar to temple architecture. The modernization of the railway station is significant as the temple town is expected to see a rush of pilgrims and tourists once the Ram Mandir opens.
अभी अयोध्या धाम रेलवे स्टेशन पर हर रोज 10-15 हजार लोगों को उनकी सेवा करने की क्षमता है। स्टेशन का पूरा विकास होने के बाद अयोध्या धाम रेलवे स्टेशन पर हर रोज 60,000 लोग आ जा सकेंगे।
Ayodhya railway station is spread across 11,414 square meters and depicts the glory of Treta Yuga. It is modelled on Ram Temple and includes Nagara architectural elements. The dome is inspired from Lord Ram's Mukut and the two shikhars are inspired from Janki Temple. It also has 7 mandaps.
This is the state-of-the-art Ayodhya Dham station, the newly built high-tech infrastructure that will facilitate lakhs of devotees who will come to worship Lord Ram in the new Ram Janmbhoomi Ayodhya Mandir.
Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw has hailed Prime Minister Narendra Modi's efforts for the infrastructure boost.
मोदी जी जो कहते हैं वो करते हैं और मोदी जी के टाइम में जो फाउंडेशन स्टोन वो ले करते हैं उसका इनॉग्रेशन भी करते हैं। ये स्टेशन भी उसी कड़ी में है। देश भर में इतना बड़ा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर आज बन रहा है। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी जिस तेजी से जिस मेटिकुलसली वो मॉनिटर करते हैं तो उसमें स्टेशन बनना ही था।
Sources say Railways has planned to run 10 to 15 new trains through Ayodhya every day to cater to the rush of devotees after January 22nd. The new train services will be started over a period of 2 to 3 months. With Milan Sharma from Ayodhya, Bureau Report, India Today.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.